Hey everyone, Yael here with your Toronto market report for November 2025. Last month, we talked about how October marked the first dip in year-over-year sales activity since June, and in November, that slowdown continued. Toronto recorded 1,898 sales this November compared to 2,222 in November 2024, which is a 14.6% decline. That's a much sharper drop than what we saw in October, and it shows how activity continued to ease as we move deeper into the fall season. With that said, I do want to dive a little deeper into those sales numbers, as a closer look reveals that it was really just the condo market and the detached homes market that drove that decline. In the condo market, sales were down 21.9% year over year, and for detached homes, sales were down 11.9%. Meanwhile, semi-detached homes and townhouses were essentially steady compared to this time last year, recording a very similar quantity of sales, which tells us that demand in the mid-price freehold segments has held up better than the higher and lower ends of the market. Now let's break down the median prices for November. Detached homes came in at $1,200,000, down from October's $1,245,000, and notably below the $1,330,000 level from last November. Semi-detached homes recorded a median of $1,050,000, slightly under October's $1,057,000, and well below last year's $1,165,000. Townhouses had a median of $1,035,000, which was only down a small amount from the $1,050,000 median in October and almost identical to November 2024 when the median was $1,040,000. And finally, condo apartments came in at a median price of $580,000, modestly down from $588,000 in October, yet markedly down from the median price of $625,000 last November. So all four property types saw relatively small month-over-month declines, and with the exception of townhouses, much larger declines from last year's median prices, which lines up with the softer sales environment we've been seeing this fall. On the broader economic side, November actually brought some encouraging news. Canada added more jobs than expected, and several indicators suggested that the economy is weathering the storm. That doesn't immediately translate into higher sales, but it does help support the thought that buyer confidence may pick up in the new year. Either way, I'll be back next month with the December breakdown and a full look at how 2025 wrapped up. Thanks for tuning in, and see you soon.